Hello friends, today we will see how to memorize propellant numbers with their chemical names. So propellant 11, that indicates trichloro monofluoro ethane. So how to memorize this? 1 1, that is 11. So 11 indicates mono. If it is 12, it is difluoro ethane. So this 2 indicates di. If it is 13, it is monochloro trifluoro ethane. So this 3 indicates tri. Now it is 114, that is dichloro tetrafluoro ethane. If it is 152A, it is difluoro ethane. This 2 indicates di. 4 indicates tetra. If it is 134A, it is tetrafluoro ethane. If it is 227, it is 7. So heptafluoro ethane. Now remaining 3, that is A17, you have to remember this 3. So A17 is butane, A31 is isobutane, and 108 is propane. This 3 you have to just memorize. Rest all is on 1, that is mono, 2 that is di, 3 that is tri, 4 that is tetra, 7 is hepta. So you can memorize this, but rest 3 you have to memorize. Thank you.
तो फ्रेंड्स, अगर आपको मेरी वीडियो पसंद आ रही हो देन डू लाइक दिस वीडियो, शेयर विथ योर फ्रेंड्स एंड सब्सक्राइब टू माय यूट्यूब चैनल। तो मिलते हैं अगली वीडियो में। टिल देन टेक केयर, दिस इज श्रेनिक जैन, पीस आउट।